This is another science experiment with your old pal Slade. So what I'm going to be doing is, because I'm a very good sweating guy, and I work a lot, so we're going to see if you're able to take away the effects or smell of sweat, not indefinitely, but for a while. So, I'll be right back. Alright, so what I asked was, what bacteria are produced in sweat? So, sweat itself doesn't produce bacteria, but it provides a moist, warm environment where a certain type of bacteria naturally lives on your skin, can grow, and thrive, especially in areas like the armpits, groin, and feet. Here are some main types of bacteria associated with sweat. Staphylococcus epidermidis, so that's your skin. Normally harmless, lives on your skin, helps prevent colonization by harmful microbes. In moist environments, blah, 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 it can cause body odor by breaking down sweat molecules. Okay. Let's see. Corynebacterium species. Major contributors to body odor. Break down sweat into volatile fatty acids, which smell bad, especially active in the operculin sweat glands. Okay. Micrococcus luteus. I want to say that's, I don't know. Commonly found on human skin, can also break down sweat, blah, blah, blah. Propionibacterium. Okay. Hold up, I'll be right back. I'm going to ask, are any of these bacterias essential to human life? Alright. Some of the bacteria commonly found on sweaty skin are actually beneficial and can be considered essential in maintaining human health, particularly for the skin microbiome and immune system. While none are strictly essential, like oxygen or food, they play important supportive roles. Staphylococcus epidermidis, protective, immune modulation, and wound healing. Okay. The Corynebacterium species, mixed role. While they contribute to body odor, they also help stimulate a healthy immune response on the skin. Certain blah 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 can compete with the harmful bacteria and prevent overgrowth of bad microbes. So while not essential individually, their presence and balance contributes to overall skin. Okay. Cutibacterium acnes, formerly Propionibacterium acnes. In normal amounts, it helps maintain skin pH and fights harmful microbes. In excess, it contributes to acne and inflammation. Perfect. Okay, that'd be one of them. So, alright, when things go wrong, if these bacteria are wiped out, unbalanced due to antibiotics, harsh soaps, etc., your skin can develop skin infections, rashes, inflammatory conditions, or reduced immune tolerance. Okay, so, taking this into account right here, the bad part, hold up, I am going to put the touch part on. So, this right here is the bad part. So, I'm saying, how can we take away the completely non-essential bacterium? Because I know in Korea and Asia, the population in Korea and Asia, or just Asia, are unable to produce body odor because their bodies do not produce the bacterium to make sweat. So, taking that into account, we'll go. Alright, so I just asked if this is true. It's partially true, okay. Based on genetics, not geography or culture, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so sorry, that was a little bit of a racist thing. But the gene behind body odor is the ABCC11 gene. Okay, that's a lot of letters. Gene determines the type of sweat you produce in your apocrine glands. Okay, that's your sweat. A specific mutation in this gene, known as 538GA, a single nucleotide polymorphism, causes people to produce a dry, odorless type of sweat. So, they have 538G. So, let's see. Alright, let's see. Alright, so. God dang it. Alright. So, in conclusion, would it be possible, let's see, would it be possible to find / use a non-lethal or harmful, non-lethal Alright, here, I'll be right back. I'm going to ask, so in conclusion, would it be possible to find a use or find or use a non-lethal / harmful chemical to turn this into a different type? Alright, we're back. So let's check. So in conclusion, would it be possible to find / use a non-lethal or harmful chemical to change your ABCC11 into a variant of 538GA? No, not currently. You cannot chemically change the gene to the variant in a safe, non-lethal way. So here's why. So the gene variants, they're present in every cell of your body and don't change naturally after you're born. Okay, so instead of doing it in a biology thing, what if you could turn it into a spray? So we'll try. Would it be possible to have okay, hold on. Let's see. Are there chemicals that can change the smell of sweat to odorless, much like the 538GA? Okay, perfect. Yes, there are chemicals and treatments that can reduce or change the smell of sweat. All right. Fully mimic. Okay, perfect. This is it. All right. But, oh, crap. Some substances can be very close functionally by either changing the chemical makeup or blocking bacterial. Oh, shoot. We can't do that. Okay, let's see. Summary. Reducing sweat. All right, hold on. While no chemical can genetically change you, you can mimic its effects. Reducing sweat, killing or suppressing odor causing bacteria, neutralizing the odor molecules themselves. Is it possible to make a antiperspirant? Let's see. What is it called? Yeah. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm going to ask, is it possible to make an antiperspirant with these chemicals that neutralize the odor molecules? Alright. It's absolutely possible to create a DIY or lab-grade product that combines antiperspirant function with odor neutralization. Okay. So antiperspirants, blah, blah, blah. Okay. But I don't want it to be a one-time thing. Or I want it to be kind of like a one-time thing. So, let's see. Limitations, alright? Not as strong as aluminum. Okay. You can make a semi-effective, fully mimic it can very close in practical effect. Is there something that could be done safely to completely get rid of hold up. Alright, let's see. Eliminating all odor-causing bacteria from your skin completely and permanently is not safe or realistic. Okay. Darn. That sucks. Okay. Man, that sucks. Alright, well, this was a pretty fun YouTube video. We learned some things, some new names, and how sweat works, actually. So, I mean, that's a plus, I guess. Yay. Alright, well, this is Slade being Slade. Sorry I'm sweaty. Look at the corner if y'all don't see me. I am very, very sweaty because I just came from strength and conditioning. Y'all have a good one. This is why I want to do this, because my ADHD got me thinking about sweat and how I can get rid of it, because I hate it. I love y'all. Y'all have a good day. Kiss. Bye-bye.